If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are adjusted accordingly. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then choose Account Security. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. In your account security section, look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. You will see a toggle switch or checkbox for enabling/disabling two-step verification. Click on the switch to turn it off. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Yahoo Mail account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and being cautious with your login information.